Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying essentials so the removal goes smoothly. First, check the phone model and OS. This determines the exact menu paths. Once done, charge to above 20% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so updates won't interrupt the process. Make sure you have the parent or guardian account username and password, plus the recovery email or phone accessible. If you don't, pause now and request credentials. Proceeding without them will lead to lockouts or data loss. Next, you'll go into the system controls and remove the restriction source. On iOS, open Settings and tap Screen Time. On Android, open Digital Wellbeing or Google Family Link. Enter the parent PIN or Apple ID when prompted, then select Turn off Screen Time or Remove Supervision. This revokes limits and content filters. If you see a message about a managed device or MDM profile, don't force resets yet. That indicates administrative enrollment and requires removing the admin profile in Profiles and Device Management, which is the next detailed step. To finish, remove any remaining management profiles. Go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Profiles and Device Management on iOS, or Settings right arrow Security right arrow Device Admin Apps on Android, and revoke admin rights. Once removed, restart the phone to apply changes and test apps, purchases, and browsing to confirm controls are gone. If something blocks removal, make sure you've got correct admin credentials. If you still can't, contact the account owner or IT admin. As a final option only, back up and perform a factory reset. It erases data but removes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.